Happy Grasshopper solves the frustrations of organizing, managing, and messaging real estate databases. Happy Grasshopper's talented team of technologists and copywriters work together so you can focus on real estate. Let's take a look at WiseAgent's integration with Happy Grasshopper. The first thing you'll need to do to initiate the integration between WiseAgent and Happy Grasshopper is connect the two accounts. In your Happy Grasshopper account, you will need to scroll down to the Settings Profile option and click to open. From this page, you need to retrieve an API key. You can do that by clicking on the integrations. Next, you'll see the section for generating an API key below. You will need to enter a name for your API key before generating. Once you hit generate, you will be able to copy the key to your WiseAgent account. From the home page of your WiseAgent account, you will need to click on Integrations and then Settings. From this page, you will click on the Happy Grasshopper section, and there you will see the field where you can paste in your API key. You will also need to type in the email address associated with your Happy Grasshopper account. Once you click on the Activate button, you will now be able to push contacts from your WiseAgent account to Happy Grasshopper. To push contacts over, you'll need to go to the Contact List page. You can use the advanced search filters on the left-hand side to narrow down your contacts by category, rank, or source. Next, you can select the checkboxes next to the contacts you'd like to add or select all on the page. Then, from the Actions dropdown, select the Add to Happy Grasshopper option. This will then take you to a page where you can confirm your contact selection and add to your Happy Grasshopper account. You will then get a notification confirming that the contacts have finished pushing over. Now, in your Happy Grasshopper account, you can look on the Contacts section and see the contacts that have been pushed over. Any contacts from WiseAgent will have a tag of WiseAgent as well as tags for any of the WiseAgent categories that they are in. If you'd like to perform a search for any contacts in your WiseAgent account that are not currently in Happy Grasshopper, you can do that from the Contact Summary page as well. Under the Search Groups section, you'll find Not in Happy Grasshopper as an option. Once you've moved your WiseAgent contacts to Happy Grasshopper, you can start them on campaigns for lead conversion, past clients, or even recruiting. If you need any help setting up your integration, give us a call at 480-836-0345 or send an email to help@wiseagent.com. Thanks for watching.